Welcome to SNEC 2024, the world's largest solar exhibition that is being held here in Shanghai. We are now at the booth of Ryzen, and here they are going to promote, they are going to introduce us what they are promoting here.
So here we can see a super high power module based on the AGT technology. The product type name is Hyper Ion. It's based on 210 millimeter wafer. So the most advanced, the biggest wafer size and the cell size in the market. The module size is 2384 and with 1303. The module size is also a kind of standard size in the market. I think now in the market more than 90% of the mainstream manufacturers are developing module based on this size, so that this size combined with the N-type technology, the power can reach 700 watts. And for this AGT module, the current maximum power recording in our laboratory is 767, super high, and the efficiency is 24.7%. This is a laboratory efficiency, and laboratory power is already higher than the theoretical limitation efficiency of the old P-type PERC, 24.5%. And now in mass production, our shipment power is about 720 watts. The module efficiency about 23%. So very high power, very high efficiency to save the both costs of the system. And in the meantime, the power generation per watt of this module will also be improved because a lower temperature coefficient, higher bifacial factor, and a better warranty, power warranty, lower power degradation. So as you can see, the temperature coefficient of power of AGT module is the lowest in the market. So that means it affected less by the high temperature, and the real-time output of this module on site will be higher, and more power generation from backside, and aging loss is fewer. According to our simulation, this module can, with the same project capacity, this module can generate about 2 or 3% higher power, higher electricity than the N-type top coin.
So if I want to buy the module, can you supply it me already?
Yes, sure. For this module size, we already achieved mass production 4 years ago. In the past, this size, we do the same size for P-type PERC. The power is 660, and we achieved mass production for this size for AGT 2 years ago. And the shipment for the module already reached 4 gigawatt now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.